The DJI MINI 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones at the moment, and as new information surfaces, expectations continue to rise among fans who are eager to see what the latest version of the Mini series will bring. Online, there are many photos simulating the visual design of this new model, along with predictions about potential release dates. So let's dive into a detailed analysis of each technical feature and assess which ones are most likely and feasible to appear in the new Mini 5 Pro. The first thing we need to consider is that it can't be too different from the Mini 4 Pro, as it needs to maintain the same physical profile and weight. Otherwise, it would no longer qualify as a lightweight drone. The first technical feature sparking a lot of excitement is the camera. Since the Mini 4 Pro already has an impressive camera with a 1.3-inch sensor, 48MP resolution, and the ability to record in 4K at 60 frames per second. However, for the Mini 5 Pro, fans are expecting an even better camera with a 1-inch sensor and 50MP resolution, capable of 4K recording at 120 FPS. This expectation arose after the release of the Air 3S, which has this sensor on one of its cameras, greatly improving ISO performance, especially noticeable in nighttime shots.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all of.
Another feature likely to remain is the vertical photo and video option, which became popular among users who enjoy posting directly to social media. However, if the sensor is upgraded to 1 inch, the drone may no longer need to rotate the camera physically and could perform this adjustment via software, similar to the Air 3S. Another improvement expected is the battery. The Mini 4 Pro offers 2 battery models, with the standard battery lasting 34 minutes and the Plus version extending up to 45 minutes. For the Mini 5 Pro, the expectation is that the standard battery will already provide 45 minutes of autonomy. If a Plus battery is released for the Mini 5 Pro, it could push flight time beyond 50 minutes. Another highly anticipated feature is the obstacle detection and avoidance system that will come with the Mini 5 Pro. After the Neo release, it became clear that this system had evolved significantly, analyzing camera images and using AI algorithms to track a target's path while precisely detecting and avoiding obstacles without losing focus. This system became even more impressive with the launch of the Air 3S, which includes a new LIDAR sensor capable of mapping the environment even in low light, autonomously navigating through indoor spaces, passing safely through restricted areas, like balconies and windows. This advanced technology has set a new standard for drones, making us wonder, could the Mini 5 Pro come with a LIDAR sensor? Strategically, it would make sense, as the Mini 5 Pro will be the top of the Mini line and, due to its compact size, would be better suited for flying in tight spaces than the Air 3S. We can only hope and wait, especially as rumors suggest it could be launched by the end of this year. Now, let's explore more technological updates that could appear in the Mini 5 Pro. Internal storage has become standard in all new DJI drones, from the Neo with 22 GB to the Air 3S with 42 GB, so for the Mini 5 Pro, an intermediate capacity of around 32 GB is anticipated. Another feature that might make an appearance is an audio recording system. As this doesn't require much hardware investment, DJI could adapt the same system as the Neo, where audio can be recorded via an app. Along similar lines, DJI might implement a voice command system, allowing the Mini 5 Pro to execute pre-programmed moves.
Hey Fly, take a droney.
If feasible, they could even add a talk button on the drone, similar to the Neo, for performing these moves without needing a controller. Speaking of controllers, not many updates are expected in this area, as DJI already has a wide range of controllers. It is anticipated that the Mini 5 Pro will have a range of about 20 kilometers and be compatible with all recent DJI controllers, such as the RC2, which has an integrated screen, the RCN3, which uses a smartphone screen, and motion control. It is also expected to be compatible with DJI goggles for a more immersive flying experience. In the realm of control, there's a strong expectation that the RC track will be launched alongside the Mini 5 Pro. Initially set to launch with the Air 3S, technical issues delayed its release. This device will serve as both a simplified controller and a portable GPS tracker, with basic drone control and follow functions. The launch of the Mini 5 Pro will be a major milestone in drone history, marking the first drone to reach the 5th generation in its category, surpassing even the Phantom, which was DJI's most successful drone series and only reached the 4th generation. The Mini series has secured its place in the drone market due to its unique combination of reliability, compact foldable design, excellent range, long battery life, stability, image quality, and affordability as an entry-level drone. Regarding price, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to fall between the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S. The most basic version of the Mini 4 Pro, with an RCN2 controller, no screen, and only one battery, costs $759, while the cheapest Air 3S is $1,099. Therefore, the expected price for the base version of the Mini 5 Pro is around $850, while the fully equipped Fly More combo with an RC2 controller with a screen could reach $1,200 before taxes and in the US. If you remembered any other technical aspect you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments, as I read them all and will include it in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.